Is it necessary to know another language to teach English abroad? The answer might surprise you. The short answer is no. Knowledge of any language besides English is not required for TEFL courses. In classrooms worldwide, the communicative approach mandates that English is the only language used during lessons. Imagine a classroom filled with diverse students. Speaking their native language can actually hinder their learning. In monolingual settings, students may revert to their native language if they know the teacher understands it. What matters most is a consistent focus on speaking English from the beginning to the end of lessons. While it isn't essential, having learned a foreign language can greatly benefit you as an EFL teacher. Understanding language learning challenges helps teachers develop empathy, creating a better learning environment for students. Additionally, learning another language can enhance your comprehension of English's structures and grammatical rules. Though not a requirement, learning the local dialect enriches your experience, enhancing cultural immersion and daily interactions.